Today, we're making banana pudding. For this recipe, you'll need about 6 bananas sliced, 1 box of vanilla jello pudding, 3 cups of cold milk, 1 container of heavy whipping cream, and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. One box of Nilla Wafers, and I'm going to use a 9x9 dish. I wanted to show you guys this beautiful bowl. It's a really pretty shade of green and it has little owls all over it. The first step in building the banana pudding is making the pudding. You're going to put the powder into a bowl and then add the 3 cups of cold milk. Then you're going to whisk it for about 5 minutes. Here I'm using a hand mixer on high. The next thing we need to make is the whipped cream. You're going to put the powdered sugar in the bowl, add the heavy whipping cream, and the same way we make the pudding, just whip it until it comes together. I'm going to keep using my hand mixer on high. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Traditionally, for banana pudding, you would use a whipped topping like Cool Whip. You can absolutely use that if you want, but I wanted to show a way for you to make it yourself if you didn't want to use Cool Whip. Now we are going to move on to putting the pudding together. How you layer your pudding is up to you, and feel free to get creative. The layers that I used was pudding first, then the layer of wafers, then banana, and then lastly whipped cream. And then you just repeat those layers until you get to the end, and then you top it off with whipped cream. When you're putting your layers down, make sure that you're putting down enough to actually get the effect of the layer. And also make sure that you're putting, and definitely when you top your pudding with the whipped cream layer, that you're really pushing things out to the edge, because your pudding layers and your whipped cream layers is what creates a sort of airtight seal on the pudding so that the bananas do not turn brown after you've completed your pudding. The last step of making the pudding is to decorate the top. Once again, how you do this is up to you, and feel free to get as creative as you like. I just did a simple pattern with the whole vanilla wafers, and then I took just a few and crushed them and then just sprinkled them on top. That's all for today. If you make this recipe, please let me know in the comments. Also, please make sure to like and subscribe if you wish. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.